So this is a quick video showing you guys the ants on a stick gizmo that relates to ramps, to inclined planes. I gotta tell you, I wasn't gonna make this video because I thought that it was like, oh, people aren't actually looking at these videos about the gizmos. They can figure it out. But then I went onto my YouTube channel and I saw that people actually watch these things. So I hope they're helpful. But I know that people are looking at them, so here I am with another video about how to use a gizmo. So we go to explorelearning.com, you log into your gizmo, and I'm already logged in. So you go to your class, and again, I have no idea if your page looks like my page, but on your page, since I populated the classes with it, at the top should be ants on a slant, kind of like snakes on a plane. If you have to see that movie, I don't feel like I'm missing anything. Anyway, so ants on a slant. You want to launch the gizmo. Launch gizmo. Here we go. All right. So this one's a little bit interesting. There are physics aspects to it. It doesn't seem like it. It seems kind of goofy, actually. You have a number of ants that you can add. Drag ants to the bottom of the stick to push the blueberry, and then you can add the number of ants. And I think 6 ants should be able to handle 1 blueberry, especially if there's no friction. So if I run it, there they go. They are rocking. Look at them go. Yay, good job. So the ants got a blueberry to the top of the log. Maybe that's where their nest is. But also notice something. They give the length of the stick, and they give the height of the log. So in terms of a ramp, like a triangle, that would be the hypotenuse of the triangle, and the height would be the height of the log, would be the short end, the opposite side of the triangle. So keep that in mind because they don't actually give you the angle of the stick. You might have to figure that out. Now, in typical annoying Gizmos fashion, in order to do anything else, you have to reset the sim before you can try something else. But yeah, so the number of ants is adjustable. You only have 6 ants. You cannot bring in a legion of ants, or you can't bring in like a dung beetle or something hefty to help them. But you can also add friction. And so if we bring in our 6 ants again, get over here, bring in our 6 ants again and let them go, and they can get the blueberry up there, but they do it in more time when you add friction. Yay. All right, that's nice. So yeah, so you can change, you can do a blueberry, you can do a peanut, you can do an almond, or you can do a kernel of corn. But again, the whole thing seems kind of goofy, but wait till you see the questions I'm going to ask you for this lab, and then you'll see that the ants actually represent the quantification of the force and all sorts of fun stuff like that. But yeah, so there's not much to see. I mean, you can change your item, you can change your number of ants, you can turn friction on and off. This dial right here will give the velocity of the ants as they climb up the stick. And also, oh, by the way, one other important thing is that you can change the position of the sticks to change the angle. And I think that's about it. So good luck with ants on a slant, and have fun.